In aerospace applications, even minor dimensional changes can compromise fit and function. That's why understanding polymer moisture absorption is critical. Water molecules penetrate polymers through random motion, forming bound and free layers, affected by temperature, humidity, and surface energy. Moisture absorption alters mechanical properties. Tensile and shear strength decline, while dimensional expansion creates fit issues in tight tolerance parts. Aerospace relies on low-absorption polymers like PEEK, PPS, and PTFE, tested under strict standards for long-term dimensional stability. AIP precision machining ensures moisture control through AS9100D certified processes, preserving dimensional stability across mission-critical components. Moisture absorption is a critical performance factor. Understanding it and partnering with experts ensures reliability in aerospace environments.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you will never miss an upload. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below and let us know of your thoughts. Contact AIP today and witness innovation in action. Call 386-274-5335 or visit AIPprecision.com.